Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss the exercise 11.4 from your NCERT based on the volume of the solid shapes. This has already been discussed. Then cuboid, where the length, breadth and height is there. The volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Important point क्या है कि LBH must have the same unit and surface area of the cuboid is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH is here only. If we talk about the lateral surface area that will be equal to 2L plus B into H, means area of the four walls also you can say. Cube, length, breadth and height all are equal, then volume of the cube is side is cube you can say. Surface area would be 6L square or 6 into side is square, and if you want to know the curved surface area of this one, that will be equal to 4 into L square. Cylinder, radius is R, height is H. We are talking about the right circular cylinder. ये क्या right circular cylinder है, ये हाइट दोनों साइड से इक्वल है, तो वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर इनटू एच एंड सरफेस एरिया 2 पाई आर ब्रैकेट में एच प्लस आर. कर्व सरफेस एरिया वी विल टॉक दैट इज इक्वल टू द 2 पाई आर एच इज देयर ओनली. these are the formulas is already we discussed in the previous videos. अब इसमें देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है. there is the cylinder A and B are the two cylinders there from your NCERT book is 11.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. These two cylinder are given, cylinder A and cylinder B. The diameter of the cylinder is given 7 centimeter, height is 14. Diameter, the cylinder B, diameter is 14, height is 7. Only this diameter and height is going to change here. We want to know the volume and the surface area. Which cylinder has the volume is greater and surface area is also, that we want to calculate here only. Okay. So in case first we are taking for A, we are taking, then radius will be equal to 7 by 2. This is, and height is equal to 14. So if we calculate the volume is there, volume of the cylinder A, that is pi r square into h. Pi is what? 22 over 7. R is 7 by 2 whole square into h is 14. You can solve this one only. You will get 22 over 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 14. 7 to 14 cancel to 11. So this is your 77 into 7. 539 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder A. And now if we talk about the surface area of this one only, surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus r, that is 2 into pi is 22 over 7, radius is r by 2 and h plus r, h 14 plus 7. Calculate this one only. So 7 and 7 and 2 you can cancel. Here is 22 into, this is your 21. So 246 centimeter square. This is the surface area. So this is in case of the cylinder A. The volume will be equal to this one. You have to multiply this one, 7 7 to 49, then 4. Yes. So surface area is here. Similarly, you can take the case B for the cylinder B. For the cylinder B, the h is equal to 7 and the radius will be 14 by 2. 14 by 2, that is also the 7 centimeter. Now you have to calculate the volume of this cylinder B, that is pi r square into h. Pi 22 over 7, r is 7 whole square into h is also the 7. So you 7 you can cancel. 22 into 49. 22 into 49, you can multiply this one here only. So 98 and 98, this is equal to 871078 centimeter cube. This is the volume is here. Now the surface area, if you will calculate the surface area is here, that is 2 pi r h plus r. So that is 2 into pi, that is 22 over 7 into r. Radius will be equal to what? 7 into h is 7, radius is also 7. 7 plus 7, you can put the values here and you must solve it. So this 7 and 7 cancelled here, so you will get 244 is 44 into 14. Then you can multiply 616 centimeter square. So ultimately what we are getting, the volume of the cylinder A is 5339 centimeter cube and here is the volume is 1078 centimeter cube. Here is the surface area is 462 centimeter square. Here is this one. So then volume and surface area in both the cases, this has the greater. Means cylinder B. Cylinder B has a greater. Have a look. Yes, now the question number 3 is find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is this one. Means there is a cuboid is there. The base area is given of this cuboid. Means the base area of this cuboid is, this is already given. This is given. Like, or you can say, see, instead of this one you can say like, this is the base area, this one is given, this area is given, that is 180 centimeter square. We are interested in height is there and the volume is also given 900 centimeter cube. So here is you are supposed to apply the general formula, or you can do just see now the general formula for the volume is already we discussed, area of base multiplied by the height. This is the general formula to calculate the volume of the any one of the figure. But the condition क्या है कि जो base का area है वही till the height you are taking, जिस height तक आप ले रहे हैं, जिस height तक you are taking, this one is taking, जिस height तक आप ले रहे हो, that should not be changed. This should not be changed. Means like this is there, जो area यहाँ है till height you are taking should not be changed at every point. Then this formula is direct, is applicable. Or in case of this one you will do, so what you will do? Area of the base will be L into B, L into H. So directly you can apply this formula, general formula. The volume is equal to area of base into height. Volume is already we know that is 900 centimeter cube, and the height is, the area of the base is given 180 centimeter square. So that is 180 into H. So from here H is equal to, you can say 900 over 180. Just see now, you should be very careful. यहाँ ध्यान ये रखना है कि the unit should be the same. Here is the centimeter square and centimeter cube. Unit should be the same as here. This is gone 5 times. So height is 5 centimeter. So height of this cuboid will be the 5 centimeters there only. Now similarly you can take this question number 4. Question number 4 is, there is a cuboid whose dimensions are given. There is a cuboid is there. Just you can say this is your cuboid of this length, breadth and height. This is cuboid is given. What the question is saying? Question क्या बोला है? How many small cubes with side this one? With this side, how many small cubes can be placed in this cuboid? इस cuboid के अंदर कितने small cubes रख सकते हैं? Means like this small cube is there. How many cubes we can place here only in this cuboid? It means अगर मैं, if the volume of this cuboid is divided by the volume of one cube, you will get the number of cubes which you can accommodate in this cuboid only. अगर मैं cuboid के volume को small cube के एक volume से divide करूं तो number of cubes आ जाएंगे which we can accommodate in this cuboid. So you must calculate the volume. Directly I am doing number of cubes can be accommodated, that will be equal to the volume of cuboid divided by the volume of one cube, that is small cube. So the volume of cuboid will be the L into B into S. Direct you can do 60 into 54 into 30 over, this is the volume of cube is equal to side cube. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 it will be there. Unit should be the same. You should be very careful. Unit का ध्यान रखना है. Centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. So now 6 5s are, then 6 9s are, and 6 10. So this is 9 5 to 45 into 10, that is 450 cubes can be accommodated in this cuboid. इस cuboid के अंदर 450 cubes we can put here only. Have a look. Okay, now This is your question number 7. Question is, a milk tank is in the form of a cylinder. This is in the same form of the cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter. Means the radius of this is given 1.5 meter. Radius is 1.5 meter and the length of this cylinder is given 7 meter. So the length means that will work as a, you can say the H is there only, that is you can say the H 7 meter, or you can say the L is there, there's no problem. But the question is, find the quantity of milk in liters. You are supposed to calculate the quantity in liters that can be stored in a tank. So this is already, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Means अगर किसी pot की length 10 centimeter you are taking, breadth is also 10 centimeter and height is also, if you take the 10 centimeter, any pot you are taking whose length is 10 centimeter, breadth is also 10 and height is also the 10, and that pot can store 1 liter liquid. अगर किसी pot की height 10 centimeter हो, breadth भी 10 हो और height length भी 10 है, means तीनों 10 है, तो that pot can store the 1 liter liquid, that is equal to the 1000 centimeter cube. It means we know this one, so you are supposed to change this meter into the centimeter first. That will be quite better, क्योंकि हमको क्या करना है, हमें लीटर में कैलकुलेट करना है. So this will be equal to what? 1.5 into 100. So this is 150 centimeter, and your H will be equal to, that is H will be equal to, that is 7 into 100, 700 centimeter. This is. Now you can calculate the volume of tank. That is equal to pi r square into h. Pi we know that is 22 over 7. R is 150 whole square into h is 700. You must calculate this one. So this 7 into 100 is there. So this is, you can calculate 22 into 150 into 150 into 100 centimeter cube. But you want to change into the liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, means 1 centimeter cube will be equal to what? 1 over 1000 liters. So if you want to change this centimeter cube into the liter, you are supposed to divide it by 1000. So this is 22 into 150 into 150 into 100 over 1000 liters. You can calculate, this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, you can cancel, and this is solve it, this is 0, 3, 33 into 50, this is, you will multiply 0, 0, 5, 4 and 49. So 495 liters milk that this tank can store. Here is only, this is the point which you must keep in mind. So उसके अकॉर्डिंग पहले ही यू हैव टू चेंज इन द मीटर इनटू द सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज ये हमें पता है 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज देयर. सो डायरेक्ट यू कैन डू द हैव अ लुक. Yes, now this is a question. Question is, if each edge of a cube is doubled, means let us suppose this is your cube, the edge of this cube is a centimeter, you can assume. The question is, if we do the edge of this one is doubled, इसका ठीक double कर दें, तो what changes will come in their surface area and the volume. कि अगर if you are going to do the twice of this one, then surface area and volume, what changes will come, that we want to find out. So in case of the first case, if we calculate, in case if the side is, if the edge is a centimeter suppose, then the volume will be equal to aq and the surface area will be equal to 6a square. This is. But now in case if the edges is going to double, edges becomes now 2a, so what will be the volume is here, that is 2a whole cube you will do. So that is, this is 8a cube. And surface area, if you will calculate, 6 into side means 2a whole square. So that is 6 into 4a square, that is 24a square is here. Then now question is saying, how many times the surface area increase. पहले surface area क्या था, 6a square. now it's become a 24 a square. अगर if you are going to make the side is double, side को अगर हम double कर रहे हैं तो you are getting the area this one. तो how many times this is going to increase by this one? So you want to know the how many times this is divided by this one, you will get that. You want to know how many times it is going to increase, so that you can calculate it by 24a square. You are getting the surface area after doing the double of this. पहले इतना था, इससे डिवाइड कर दीजिए, that you will get 4. So that is 4 times it is going to increase. Or you can say then surface area of this one into how many times it is increasing, that is equal to this one. So this is divided by this, you will get the number of times by which this is going to increase. Now similarly in case of this volume, now volume is 8aq and your volume used to be this one. पहले volume क्या था, ये था. जब 2a किया तो this one is there. तो how many times it is going to increase? That is also you can calculate. Simple, 8aq over this aq. You can cancel, this is 8 times. So therefore 8 times is volume going to increase. Volume increase. And 4 times surface area increase. Here only. Have a look. Now the question number 8. Question is there is a tank. In the tank the water is falling at with this speed only 60 liters per minute. Means there is a cubical tank is there, like this is. You can say this is your tank. In this one the water is falling. The water is falling here only with the speed of 60 liters per minute. Means in 1 minute the 60 liter water falls and this tank is there. The volume of this tank is also given, that is 108 meter cube. Then we want to know then how much time it will take to fill this one. The water falling, जो water इसके अंदर गिर रहा है वो with this speed 1 minute में 60 liter water fall होता है इस tank के अंदर. The volume of the tank is already given. Now question is how much time it will take to fill this one only. See, simple is here only, because to calculation here is we know that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So we will try to change the meter cube into the centimeter, or the liter is also then centimeter cube. ये for own convenience के लिए. अब देखिए question. What is saying? The rate of water which is falling with this speed. In this speed, we want to know that how much hours it will take. तो देखिए speed हमको दिया है in 1 minute. In 1 minute, the water is going to fall. That is the 60 liters. Or you can say the 60 into 1000 centimeter cube. This is. We are going to change in the centimeter cube because we know that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. This is already we know, that is already I have written here. Now this is in 1 minute. What we want to know in hours. So you have to change मिनट को आवर में कन्वर्ट करिए. तो अगर इन 1 मिनट में इतना है तो इन 60 मिनट्स में कितना होगा? In 60 minutes, that is 60 into 1000 into 60 centimeter cube. We will multiply by the 60. 60 minutes means in 1 hour. In 1 hour, the volume of the water means the volume is going to 1 घंटे में इतना water it will fall in this tank only. Volume of the tank is given. Volume of tank is 108 meter cube. You can change this is also in centimeter cube. See 108. 1 meter cube है तो 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So change 1 meter into centimeter 1. Another meter को into 100 into 100, and this is your centimeter cube. This is the volume of the tank. Now the volume of the tank is divided by कि एक 1 hour में कितना fall हो रहा है. Then you will get the number of hours. तो number of hours you want to calculate. That will be equal to volume of tank divided by the volume of water fall in tank in 1 hour. So this is 108 into 100 into 100 into 100, that is divided by this is there only, means 60 into 1000 into 60, that we are doing. ये हमने और कन्वीनियंस के लिए कन्वर्ट किया because this is the quite easy to remember. This one is there. Now calculate this one. How many zeros will be cancelled? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now this 1 6 6 1 ja 8 and 6 3 ja 18. So 3 into 10, that is equal to 30 hours. Means this is our answer. You can say this tank can be filled if the water is falling in this tank with this speed. अगर पानी इस स्पीड से गिरेगा तो it will fill this one only, fill in 30 hours, and that is your answer. Have a look.